We'll guide you through how to make mouse click ripple effect in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser, then search for cursor PNG so you can find a cursor image to use. Pick any design you like, and for this guide the example comes from 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀. After choosing the cursor you want from the site, click the small arrow icon to the right of the download button and select JPG so you can save it in the right format. Once the file is saved, open your Windows search bar and type After Effects, then open the program. Inside After Effects, right-click on the project bar and choose New Composition. Set the composition settings based on what you need, such as size and frame rate, then confirm. After that, right-click the project bar again and choose Import so you can bring the cursor image into your project. Select the file you downloaded earlier, then drag and drop the image into the composition timeline. Press S on your keyboard to open the scale settings, then set a size that fits your layout. If the file contains more than one cursor, select the one you want to use. Once you know which one you want, use a mask to isolate that part of the image. After masking the selected cursor, move it to the center of the composition so it stays in the right place during the animation. When you are done positioning it, pre-compose the layer to keep everything organized. Press S again to open the scale settings inside the pre-comp. Turn on keyframes for scale so you can animate it. Set the first keyframe to 70 and the second to 100 so the cursor grows slightly. Then select both keyframes and press F9 to smooth the animation. Open the graph editor and adjust the graph to match the style shown in the example, usually by easing the start and end. After that, right-click the timeline, choose New, and then select Adjustment Layer. Go to the Effect and Presets panel and search for BCC Ripple Dissolve. Apply this effect to the adjustment layer. Change the animation control to PCT. Done so you can animate how much of the effect is visible. Turn on the keyframe for % done and set the first keyframe to a low number. Set the second keyframe to a higher value based on the look you want. Then turn on the keyframe for height inside the effect. Set the first height keyframe to a low value as well, and adjust the second one to whatever final look you prefer. This completes the full step-by-step process clearly and simply.